Hello, hello there everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to lock Facebook profile permanently on Android. So to do that, I'm heading over to my Facebook. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the three lines icon on the top right. I'm heading over to your profile, and in here you'll find the three dots on the right. And here you'll find the lock profile option. Tap on it. Tap on lock your profile. It will only your friends will see your past and future photos and posts and stories on your profile. Only friends will see your full resolution profile picture and cover photos. People will still be able to see profile info set to public posts that you are tagged in, search for you, and send friend requests. So tap on lock your profile. And as you can see, my profile is locked. So if I want to see how people are gonna see my account when they visit, I'm heading over to the three dots on the top right and heading over to view as. Now I'm viewing as public. So people will see my profile like this. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.